Hi there, and thanks for watching. In this video, I'm going to show you some new pages of my art journal, the ones that I've been working on this week. My art journal is mainly used to do some color studies. In one of my previous videos, I showed you my brand new paintings, and these colors I've got straight out of the art journal. On my pages, you see many blue colors and some pink tones. At the moment, I'm not sure whether they're finished or not. This is where I ended my art journal last time. And these are some new pages. And they are mainly used for studies for painting, color studies. But I also added some old drawings and a piece of fabric that Machtel gave to me, other pieces of fabric. And this is sanding paper with holes in it. And I really love the use of paper. So on the next page, I dedicated a whole spread to just paper. This was already an assignment for my weekly art students group in my studio. And we were only allowed to put a little gesso with just one color on the back of the paper to fill the background. And after that, we were just using paper, and the colors of the paper were just brown and blue, and some craft-like paper and a kitchen towel. So that were the only materials that they had to grab. So afterwards, I just put some flowers, some dried flowers, and the burlap that's coming from the sides of the book. I put some of those in like this for the stalks of the flowers. And a funny detail is that I also added the envelopes of the Dutch tax office. But I also put some money in it. So you can go and search for that. I will also show the results from the students, and they made very different things. So I think it's nice to see. On the next page, I went on with my research for colors, and these colors are more like brown and red, pink. Again, I don't know whether this page is finished or not. And this one is the same story, but I think this is nearly finished because this is taking a lot of attention. I also put some burlap on the page, and this is a piece of fabric that I've been painting in France. Again, one of the loveliest fabrics that I ever seen. And here is a piece of a birch tree. So I really love using natural things in my art journal. Since it's the end of the year, almost, I decided to create a mini book, a mini art journal about all my successes or our successes from 2023. Celebrate your success with all the highlights. We have many new online students in 2023, and we launched 4 online classes this year, 4 of them in Dutch and 4 of them in English, so 8 in total. And I think we never reached that before. Oh, here's something. I painted a lot myself. And then our YouTube channel is visited well. We even reached 1,000 subscribers. So thank you to all of you who have recently or earlier subscribed our channel. We have a great, wonderful group of art journaling students in my weekly studio lessons. And there's 6 now, where we are with 7, me included. So that's a great thing to look forward to each week. And here, I really love the holes. Maybe it's an eye, I don't know what it is, but I really love it. I have to fail something. I saved the best for last. I don't know what's going to be there. Maybe I've forgotten something. I had 2 workshops this year in my studio with doing the palette knife, and I really enjoyed those ones, and they were fully booked, so it was great. This is actually a result of one of the people who participated. And here I opened a new Etsy shop for loose artworks, and I already got some orders for my winter cards. And I completed 2 art journals and worked in 3 other ones. So yeah, I'm really proud of that. And I have my first client for coaching. So that's also a good thing. And the last thing that I'm very proud of is my painting retreat will pass through in June 24. So it's a very nice thing to create your own book of success, or maybe you can dedicate a page in your art journal about the best moments from last year. So it would be nice if you share with you what were your highlights, your creative highlights of 23. So this book is really a great thing to do. So I hope you will make one yourself. And if you have highlights, creative highlights in 23, please let me know, write something in the comments. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.